My name is Shervin Shaffie. I'm a Copilot Principal Engineer at Microsoft, and this is the personal dashboard built using Copilot Cowork. Personal dashboard that at a glance you can look at and decide what it is that you need to focus on for every single day. So let's look at this so you can decide if you want to build this yourself or not. I'll let you know though, it's super easy to make because I'm going to give you all the instructions. And you can actually customize it so that it looks different. So at the top it greets you and it allows you to go from dark mode to light mode, whatever your preference is. And I actually have it set up so that it refreshes every hour and it runs every weekday from 7 to 6. It's up to you. You can change those as well. Along the top you have your KPIs like overdue action items, unread emails, but there's only 6 that I actually need to reply to. It sorts those out for me down below. And all the links are actually clickable, so you can get to the email from the dashboard or your Outlook invites. You got your meetings that are coming up, unread Teams, active projects, and who's out of the office. It gives you the counts, but then below it gives you more of the information. Anything that you need to really pay attention to is right here in terms of overdue items, and then all the different activities coming up in your schedule. That's color-coded based on the fact that you've accepted it, tentative or not. And then when you want to go and get ready, there's some notes here. When you scroll below, you have your projects all listed here. And then you have your week calendar load. Red is like overloaded, blue is medium, and gray is light. So you can kind of plan if someone says, hey, can you schedule a meeting? Maybe Monday is a better day to do it for. And then when you scroll down, you have your time allocation based on customer facing, training, admin. You can customize this. And then you have your emails that need a reply. You can click on them, actually get to the email, long-term action items. There's training and learning, out of office, people you should follow up with, like maybe my manager, and then your Teams chats and recent files that you've been working on. So a lot of really cool stuff that you can just look at a glance, updated every single hour and delivered to your inbox in the morning. So how do you actually build this? Let's look at that. Now to build it, you need to go to Copilot Cowork, which should be on your left rail. But if you don't know what Copilot Cowork is or you don't even have it, that's okay because I've done a beginner's video on how to get it, what it is, how to use it. So check that out and maybe come back here. But if you're familiar, then you're in luck because I actually have this recipe. So this is the recipe and it tells you what you're gonna get, which is everything we saw in the dashboard. And then it talks about the premium touches, like the fact that you can go dark mode or light mode. There's a toggle for it. And then what you gotta do in terms of how to build it is there's 2 prompts. So all you do is you go ahead and grab prompt number 1 and you copy it. And then you paste it in the new task. I'll just show you that. And then you also come back and you grab prompt 2. And after prompt 1 is finished, you put prompt 2 in, which is to schedule the actual task. So what you do is once you've copied this, you go ahead and start a new task, which I can do right here. And then all you do is just go ahead and paste it in here and select this arrow. And that'll execute all the instructions to create your personal dashboard, just like the way it looks on mine. So it's that simple to do. The other thing I'll mention is that I have it set up so that every morning at 7 a.m. it actually sends me an email with the attachment of the dashboard. So if I go ahead and select this arrow and I open it up, then I can open it up in my browser and it looks like just what we saw. Now, a couple of things to note. This email, I have it set up to send every morning, once a day. Even though it gets updated every hour, you can select to get an email every hour, but that was too many emails. So what I do instead is I actually go back to Copilot Cowork. On the right-hand side, there's an output folder and your dashboard HTML actually gets put in here. So the hourly updates show up in here. You can see this one was 11:55 a.m. So that's how I get the hourly updates, but once a day I get an email that I can open up in my Edge browser. So really that's all there is to it, and this recipe I'm going to make available on my website. There's a blog section on cozy.pro. I'll drop the link in here so you can go there and then you can just go ahead to the prompts and copy and paste it. And I'm very curious how it turns out for you or any modifications that you make. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one.